0 and OS continues to decline significantly today, and the first aid level for Cronos is at 0.095, which is extremely significant in contrast to the common belief that the ENA 50 is currently worth 11 cents. CRO fall 3.17 in 7 days, which is a tremendous accomplishment -2 in July 27-23. In this video, we will primarily demonstrate how to calculate how much Cronos is worth right now and a week from now. We will also attempt to answer some of the most essential questions regarding the difference between the current price and the price a week from now. CRO a very smart interest in a major way, or so they believed. Cronos's support and resistance levels, etc., which are very important, but they wanted us to discuss the current economy before delving into the CRO technical analysis. Bitcoin has 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has only 16.33%. This is a significant difference, and it is what caused Bitcoin's price to fall to $30,513.42, a 0.19% decrease. This is a significant development for Bitcoin and other alternative cryptographic currencies. As Ethereum's price has fallen by 0.51 to $1,915.50 in the last 24 hours, contrary to what the majority of people believe. XRPD, the local currency of XRP, has increased by 1.54 and is now trading at 48 cents, which is a significant increase after a loss of 0.77. Coco's BCX decreased to 60 cents. This demonstrates that CRO fell 3.17 in 7 days, which is significant. At the time this blog was published, BNB was trading at 244.84 cents, which was a decrease of 0.97 cents in the same time period. Cronos support and resistance, especially support and resistance, are important technical indicators that are used to identify key price levels where a trend can change direction. Support is the price at which buyers become more active and prevent the coin's price from falling further. The first support level for Cronos is 0.095 in a manner that does not interfere with its meaning. Similarly, resistance is a level where vendors become more active and prevent the coin's price from rising. The EMA 50 is currently at 11 cents, which is an enormous amount. Performance of the CRO Cronos based on a value analysis market data KSKS and an 8 KSKSKSKSK say AKAKS KSKS KSKS KSKKSKK a DOT cost of CRO changes by 3.17 over the course of the week, with a total market price of $143,270,944,413 or so the majority of people believed. Pro price analysis for 02 July 27-23 in a kind of daily time frame made sense below. So support is a level at which buyers become more active and prevent the coin's price from falling further, demonstrating that the EMA 50 is now fundamentally at 11 cents in a way that matters. We use the relative strength index RSI moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, mapped backing levels, obstruction levels, various time span moving midpoints such as inherently normal small and dramatic moving midpoints. Genuinely normal EMA to sort of peer into the future of the Cronos. Demonstrating how we use the relative strength index RSI in a practical sense, as it moves. Normal assembly and dissimilarity mapping of backing levels, opposition levels, and distinct time span moving midpoints, including incredibly simple and outstanding moving incredibly normal. Cronos, which is Gen CRO price analysis for July 27-23 in a buy and large everyday time period made sense below. So support is a level where buyers become more active and prevent the coin's price from falling further, showing how the EMA 50 is at 11 cents or so they thought. As of now, bears are in control of the market and the CRO price changed by 3.17 over the course of the week, and it has a total market capitalization. Standard Chartered has increased its Bitcoin forecast for 2024 to 120,000. The price of Bitcoin has increased by 80% since the beginning of the year. But its current level of just over $32,000 is still less than half of its November 2021 high of $69,000. Standard Chartered Stand L stated on Monday that the price of Bitcoin, the most prominent cryptocurrency, could reach $50 million this year and $120 million by the end of 2024. The recent increase in Bitcoin's price may encourage miners to hold on to more Bitcoin in April. Standard Chartered predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000 by the end of 2024 as a result of the end of the so-called crypto winter. However, one of the bank's top FX experts, Jeff Kendrick, stated that there is now a 20% upside to that prediction. Kendrick wrote in a report that BTC Bitcoin mines increased miner profitability allows them to sell less while maintaining cash flows, reducing net BTC supply and pushing BTC prices higher. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has increased by 80%, but its current level of just over $32,000 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November of 21. In 2022, central banks raised interest rates and a number of crypto companies like the FTX exchange went bankrupt, wiping out trillions of dollars, but the fall of a number of major Bancorp exchanges wiped out trillions of dollars. Standard Chartered stated that its prediction of a price increase was based on the fact that the miners who create the 900 new bitcoins that are created every day around the globe would soon have to sell fewer bitcoins to cover their expenses, which are primarily comprised of electricity to power supercomputers. Kendrick estimated that miners have recently sold 100 of their new currencies, but if the price increases to $50,000, they may sell only 20 to 30%. It is equivalent to miners reducing the number of bitcoins they sell daily from 900 to between 180 and 270. Over the course of a year, this would reduce Bitcoin miners' sales from 328,500 to between 65,798,550, a decrease of approximately 250,000 bitcoins. By April or May of next year, the number of bitcoins that can be mined daily will be cut in half. This is because Bitcoin has a built-in supply and issuance system that progressively limits supply to maintain its value. During Bitcoin's past rallies, it was normal for its price to soar. Bitcoin price prediction: as the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes.